Good morning, class. My name is Shivangi Malvia, and today I will be teaching you GK. And the topic that we are going to study in GK is amazing animals. Now, can you tell me the need of studying GK? What is the need of studying GK? GK is something that enhances your knowledge as well as your personality. When you are aware about the things that are around the world happening or which are happening around the world, then you are able to enhance your knowledge, your personality also along with the knowledge. The topic that we are going to study is amazing animal. Now, definitely we all know about several animals that are there around us in the country, all around the world. So, and all of the animals are quite amazing. They are different and amazing at the same time. There are some animals that we come to see that we are able to see in zoo or some nearby places, but the rest of the animals are very rare and hardly we can see them. We generally are able to know about them through internet or television or books. The topic here, as you know, is amazing animals. So we would be discussing some animals with you. I will be discussing some animal with you, and the remaining animals that are there in the chapter would be explained and discussed in the next video. I will be sharing a video about the animals with you along this video also very soon. The first animal that we are going to study is koala. Now, this is a very small animal. It is a mammal basically. It also carries its kit in the same way as the kangaroos do. So it is a very small animal, and it's found in specifically in Australia. Now it's found in Australia because it cannot live in a rainy forest or in a desert forest or a desert area. It needs the particular climate, and that climate is available only in the place that is Australia. This particular animal lives on eucalyptus plant and eucalyptus tree, and it lives for a very short time, that is 10 to 12 years is the lifespan of this koala. The male lives for 10 to 12 years, whereas the female may live for 18 years. It seems very attractive, very intelligent, but in fact, it's quite a dumb animal. It's one of the dumbest animal that you will study so far. The next animal is mongoose. Mongoose. One thing very interesting about mongoose is that it has the capability to kill a snake. It is very small in size, but it has the capability to kill a snake also. And a very important and amazing fact about this animal is that at the time of the birth, it's blind. Yes, it's blind. While when it take birth, it's blind, and it lives for 20 years almost. It is powerful and a very strong animal, yet is small in size. The next animal that we are going to study is armadillo. Armadillo is a very good, armadillo is a very good swimmer. It can swim in any kind of water. It is able to hold its breath for 6 minutes. Now, armadillo live for 12 to 15 years, and as I told you, because with the help of the sticky tongue that it is having, it is able to have its meal. It digs the ground, and from there it catches the ants or other small vertebrates as its meal. So in this video is a very short video, and I have tried to explain you about these three animals, and I hope it's all clear to you. In the next video, I will be letting you know the rest about the animals, and Thank you so much.